Hey, everybody, thanks for coming back and checking out our video. If it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and check out the rest of the videos. If you're already subscribed and you're coming back to check out another video, thanks for watching again. Got another new product, new to me, to test out, show you guys how to put it on the car. We're going to use it on the Tesla. It's the from ProTech. It's their new nano diamond system, diamond body 360 kit right here. And it's not a ceramic. We'll get into that in just a second. Let's check out the video. Alright, so I got the ProTech Diamond Body 360. They have more professional grade stuff that's lasts longer. 36 just means it can last up to 3 years. It is a Diamond Nanotech. It's not a ceramic. It goes on, it's applied exactly like a ceramic though. And literally start to finish, the way it reacts and everything, it's just like a ceramic, but it's not a ceramic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this for you guys, show you what's in here and the kit itself, and then show you guys how to apply it. And then obviously, because it's a coating, we're not going to be able to actually show you like the full effects of it on this video, because you got to wait, you want to wait a little while, a few months, to really test it and see its durability and how long it lasts and things like that. So let's get into opening up the box. So in the box here, when you open up the box, they're going to have a little applicator. It's a little foam applicator. I don't know if that'll show up on there or not. Nope. Okay, cool. That's all right. Anyway, you've seen these, just a little square thing here that you can use to apply it with. So they give you that. They actually give you the, this is the actual coating itself. Ooh, there it goes. Maybe. This is the coating itself right here. So, and you can hear it. Inside the vial, there's actually a little glass ball in there. It helps break it up so that the coating is mixing right. Shake it up for 15 to 20 seconds. Get it all moving pretty good there. And then they also give you the body prep spray right here. So you just mist this on the car, which you'll see. You want to wipe off. It pretty much removes any oils, sealants, and polish residue. So on that note, make sure your car's paint is exactly how you want it when you start the process of doing any coating, for that matter. Just make sure you got it all polished out and no swirls, scratches. Get it how you want it before you apply something like a coating like this. They give you some nice little neoprene gloves to wear, because you don't want to get this stuff on your hands. And they give you one little small napped buffing towel. So it's all here in the box. So we're going to do the body prep spray first, and then we're going to coat it. Let's do this. All right, so here I have the body prep spray and my little microfiber towel. So essentially all you're going to do with this is you're just going to treat this like it's a quick detail spray, for example. Just going to mist it on there, wipe it, just make sure everything's definitely good to go. Car's been cleaned and washed and all that, so it is ready. I was tempted to not even spray this on there, but so I'm going to use it lightly because I know my car's clean and it's how I want it to be to get it sealed up with the coating. So we're going to go over here and do this now, show you how to do this. All right, so this should be pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to, always shake up anything you're using and just mist it. Just kind of mist it on there. And then you're just going to wipe it, just like you would with anything else, but you don't want to wipe it like in swirls, circular motions, because you don't want to be putting swirls and scratches into your paint after you just prepped it for this. So you're just basically, it's like wiping it out. You're just wiping out everything, and that's it. Just make sure you get it dried. Like I missed a spot right there, it looks like. So just make sure you get it all buffed off there really good, and then you're ready to apply the coating. All right, so something I didn't realize when I opened up the gloves, they actually give you two sets, a large and an extra large. And I definitely need the extra large. This is too small, it doesn't fit. But anyway, I've wiped out the whole car, all the panels are wiped out, and you hear that? It's in there. Just make sure you give it a good shake, 15 to 20 seconds. Do this no greater than 70, well, per the instructions, no greater than 70% humidity and between 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to do that out in a well-ventilated room, which this is zero ventilation. So hopefully it doesn't make me have a contact, you know. And then, yeah, I got all my lights around the car. And see how this works here. I've never even applied this ceramic coating, actually. Not a real one out of a glass vial like this. So this is going to be interesting. You want to see it go on crosshatch pattern, you know, like side to side, up and down. And then it'll do like little bubbles, some bigger bubbles. It'll turn like a rainbowish color, like an oil slick. And then you'll see it look like it's dried, but it shouldn't be dry. And then you just wipe it off with the towel they've given you. So, and they say apply 12 to 15 drops on here the first time. You do this, and you want to set, I'm going to set a timer because it says let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes or something like that. So I'm going to set a timer just to see how long it lasts with this paint, and then before I need to wipe it off, so I know what to do for the rest of the car to kind of speed the process. So here we go. Got, if it'll come out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think that's enough right there. I'm going to put the cap back on because I don't want it to dry out on me. All right. So I have it. We're going to start it on the hood right here, I guess. So we're going to go right across just like this to the middle and back. Just like that. It's supposed to give it like a candy glow as well. Oh yeah, you can definitely smell it for sure. And you don't want to push down on this either. Like just glide it across the top. Just want to make sure everything gets coated and covered. Just like that. Just make sure you get it flattened out. All right, now we're going to let it cure for a minute, see how long that takes. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes now since we put this on. It's starting to do like the flash thing on there. I don't think it's going to show up on the camera, but it's starting to flash. So we're going to use the towel they gave us, the microfiber towel. And if you look, it's got kind of like edgeless too. Very nice towel actually. Another thing I forgot to mention is after you apply this stuff, what's good about this is you can drive the car within 1 hour after applying it. You don't have to wait 24 hours like you do some ceramics. They do advise you to keep it out of the elements. As far as elements go, what I meant to say is they want you to keep it 3 to 4 weeks out of chemical washes, just to let it really help it bond. They also give you this little sticker, which you see this in some professional detailers. They install this stuff in your door jambs. It says the date the coating was installed, the next maintenance is due, and who did it. So they actually give you one of those. So that's just kind of like a cool little a thing there. So I had my timer set on my phone. And so now we're ready to go ahead and start wiping this off. Now, I feel like I put it on there like kind of thin. When I applied it, after looking at it, didn't really like bubble. There was no little bubbles that popped up. So I think that I did apply it kind of thin. I should have maybe added some more liquid to the pad. But anyway, it went on kind of thin. We'll see how easy it is to take off now that it's been on here for 5 minutes or so. Yeah, it just wipes right off too. Look at that. It seems pretty easy to come off. And you don't want to push down on this. You're just leveling off the coating, and you're going to want to, after you level it off, kind of buff off any residual there. So you're just think of it that way. You just want to make it flat. And this comes off very easy. Holy cow. This is extremely easy to come off, actually. Very easy to come off. And that's all there is to it right there. Just buff it off. It has to be a short nap microfiber towel too. It's on the per the instructions. You don't want to use anything fluffy. Nothing too fluffy. All right. Now I only did half of my hood because I wanted to see if there was a difference on the shine, the gloss side, and you can actually see that's definitely deepened it. So I don't know if I can get that on this camera, but we're gonna try. See if we can get you up there any closer. We'll use it right there maybe. I don't know if you can see that or not, but if you look, kind of like right here, you can see the shine is a little bit more shine, deep red than this side. I mean, it's not dull on this side by any means because the car is brand new and I take care of it with like the coatings and stuff, but this side does appear to be a little bit more dull than this side. If that's coming up, it looks like it might be a little bit, but yeah, you can see more of a shine there to the right side of that Tesla logo, and actually up a little bit higher even on the camera there. If you look up like in this area here, you can see the shine difference or the deepness of the red difference versus down like right here where I haven't done anything. So does make it look really good though. So excited to try that out there in the sun. Thanks for coming back and checking out the video. Again, this was the Diamond ProTech Nano Diamond Coating Body 360 kit. I'll have links to all this stuff in the description below, as well as a coupon code for this that you can use to get a discount. I believe the kit is like $80, so it's not as expensive as a lot of these ceramics that's out there, which again, it's not a ceramic. They're not claiming for it to be a ceramic, but you can see the deepness of the red. So we got the whole car on there done, and goes on really easy, comes off really easy, and it makes it really like a deep cherry, like candy. Yeah, we'll call it candy, a deep candy look to it, which is really cool. And so really excited to do like a few months from now to see a test on this, to see how well it holds up and repels water and things like that. So keep a watch on like a lot of my stories and stuff like that, because I'll post random things throughout the course of this bonding on here. But so you can see like the water beating effects on them out in the rain, or how easy it is to clean after and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, drop a comment down below, and make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And check out all my other videos. If you have any comments, let me know. If you've used this, let me know what you think about it too. They also have the lot number on the back along with the expiration date. So if it just sits on the shelf, you know when to toss it. Anyway, so it's pretty cool. Yeah. So you see what it does? You saw the difference on it. Now all we got to do is wait for the durability test and see how long it takes. But till next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.